Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, welcome back to our channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates. Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover some parts of the first chapter, Shapes and Space of Math Magic of Class 1. Friends, if you have not seen my previous video, then click on the I button on the top of the screen in order to check out the best to best contents. The first topic that we learn today is on, under. We use the words to show where something is. So friends, observe the picture carefully. In this picture, we can see a cat, a table and a dog. Now if we are talking about this specific cat, so we have to say that the cat is on the table. And if we are talking about this specific dog, so we have to say that the dog is under the table. So friends, can you tell me where is the cat? Yes, you are correct. The cat is on the table. And where is the dog? Yes, very good friends. The dog is under the table. Now friends, let us look forward to our next topic. Friends, do you know what is the meaning of above and below? Okay, let me explain first. What is the actual meaning of above and below? Above refers to the top position of some object and below refers to the bottom position of something. Now friends, observe the picture carefully. In this picture we can see a bird, tree and a dog. Now if we are talking about this specific bird, so we have to say that the bird is flying above the tree. And if we are talking about this particular dog, then we have to say that the dog is standing below the tree. So friends, can you tell me where is the bird? Yes, you are correct. The bird is flying above the tree. And where is the dog? Yes, the dog is standing below the tree. Friends, you need to watch this complete video in order to understand the concept clearly. Don't skip any part of this video, and at the end of it there will be a surprise waiting for you. So friends, let us watch and enjoy the video till the end. Now friends, let us move on towards our next topic. Our next topic is shapes around us. Friends, do you know what are shapes? Okay, I am telling you friends, everything we see around us has a shape. In the house we live in the playground we play, and even the kinds of fruit we eat. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outer boundary. There are two kinds of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Today we will learn about the 2D shapes. 2D or two-dimensional shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface, such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. Now I am going to show you some shapes along with examples of similar objects so that your concept will be clear in time. First shape is called triangle. A triangle is a shape with three sides. Friends, this is first side, this is second, and this is third side. All these three sides join together to form a triangle. Now let us see some examples related to these shapes. Let us move on to our next slide. Examples of triangle. Friends, look at the picture. This is a picture of a mountain. Can you guess the shape of this mountain? Yes, you guessed it correct. This mountain is in the shape of a triangle. Next, you can see a picture of a watermelon which is cut in the shape of a triangle. Next one, friends, we can see this instrument in our geometry box. This is a set square and it is also in the shape of a triangle. Now we move on to our next shape. This is the shape of a square. We can see, friends, there are four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has four sides. Let me draw it out for you, friends. This is one side, this is second side, this is third side, and this is fourth side. So a square has four equal sides. Now let us see some examples related to these shapes. Examples of square. Friends, have you seen these pictures before? Yes, this is a picture of a chessboard and here is the picture of a carom board. These two are used for playing. Next we can see the picture of a mat. So we can see the similarities between the three figures that they are in the shape of a square. All these figures have four equal sides. Now let us move on to our next shape. Now our next shape is rectangle. Friends, let us count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has four sides. Can you tell me, friends, the difference between a square and a rectangle? Now let me tell you, friends, the opposite sides of rectangle are parallel and equal to each other. Now see, the number 1 side is equal and parallel to the number 3 side, and the number 4 side is equal and parallel to the number 2 side. Now friends, let us see some examples. You can see this figure. This is a picture of a book. I hope you all have seen this. It is in the shape of a rectangle. This is a photo frame. You can see this is also in the shape of a rectangle. Now look at the picture. This is a ruler. Friends, this instrument is used for draw a straight line and also used as a measuring device. Friends, can you tell me what is the shape of a ruler? Yes, you guessed correct. The ruler is in the shape of a rectangle. Now let us move on to our next shape. Our next shape is circle. Friends, note it down. This shape is different from the previous shapes because it has no sides and it is rounded shape. Now friends, let me help you out. I am going to draw a circle. Friends, you can also draw with me. See friends, it has no sides. Now friends, let us move on to some examples of circle. This is the picture of a clock. We use clocks in our home to see the time. The shape of a clock is circle. Next, this is a picture of a button and this is a disc. Friends, can you tell me what is the shape of these two figures? Yes, you guessed it correct. The shape of these two figures is circle. Now let us move on to our next shape. Our next shape is semicircle. You can get the shape by cutting a full circle into two halves. You can see the first half is in the shape of a semicircle and the second half is also in the shape of a semicircle. Friends, if we are connect the two halves, so we get a full circle. Now let us move on to the next shape. This is the shape of an oval. It has no sides, but it is longer than a circle. Now friends, let us draw an oval. Let me help you out. Friends, can you guess the shape of an oval in your daily life? Yes, I think you guessed it correct. So, now let us take the answer. You can see an oval at breakfast time when your mom is cooking an egg, or in balloons, or even in a rugby ball. So, I hope you all understood the concept clearly. Isn't very interesting, friends? Okay, then let us move on to our next shape. Friends, can you identify these shapes? Yes, you are right. This shape is called a diamond. Now count with me. How many sides a diamond have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a diamond has 4 sides. Now let us see an example related to this shape. This is the picture of a kite. Friends, can you tell me what is the shape of a kite? Yes, the kite looks like the shape of a diamond. Friends, I will provide you more examples, worksheets and interesting puzzles in our FB and Telegram groups. Don't forget to join our FB and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Our next shape is star. I hope you all familiar with this figure. Friends, have you seen it before? Remember? Yes, we all can see stars in the night sky. A star is a shape which has many sides and many corners. Now let us see some examples of stars. You can find the shape of a star in the stars in the night sky, or in a starfish, or even in a magic stick. Friends, look very carefully. All these pictures have in the shape of a star. So I hope you all have understood the concept clearly. Now let us move on to our next shape. Our next shape is pentagon. This is the shape of a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, a pentagon has 5 sides. Now let us see some examples of a pentagon. Friends, observe this picture carefully. Can you tell me how is the picture look like? It looks like a pentagon. Now let us move on to our next shape. Our next shape is hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, a hexagon has 6 sides. Now friends, let us move on to the examples. Friends, look at the picture carefully. You can find the shape in a honeycomb. The honeycomb is in the shape of a hexagon. Now let us move on to our last shape. This is the shape of an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, a octagon has 8 sides. Friends, I hope you all have understood the concept of 2D shapes and space with the help of our presentation. We will continue our session, that is 3D concepts of shapes and space, along with the rolling and sliding in our next session. So please stay tuned with us to enjoy these types of wonderful presentation, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. We design our topics in such a way so that we all clear about each and every concept of a particular topic. So we need your love and support to develop our channel, and we hope that we can contribute to our success. Now let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of previous day's surprise question. Check your answer. First we read the previous day's question. How many flowers and butterflies can be seen in the picture below? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, there are 11 butterflies. And now, count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 11 butterflies and 7 flowers. Friends, I hope you all answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a solid rectangular in shape. All my opposite sides are the equal size. I can store your pen, pencil and eraser within me. Now friends, comment your answer below. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey, that we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay well, go with Clear Basic.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.